Cesaria Big, that is Dream, past to begin, moving up on the outside now is Cole Harbor, racing in third, Sir Ferdinand, knockout Babe, King Theodore, and on the outside, rushing up now is Security Prince, Lifetime, and Dear John, Cole Harbor, the leader, by Auralenka Hapa, Big, that is Dream is right behind in second, Parlang, so in third, King Theodore, and on the outside, knockout Babe, then followed by Sir Ferdinand, Dear John is down on the inside, Security Prince and Lifetime now racing in last. Cole Harbor still in front, moving up on the outside now is Big, that is Dream. Big, that is Dream now takes the lead, down on the inside is Cole Harbor. 7 lengths away in third, knockout Babe, Dear John in fourth, moving up Sir Ferdinand on the outside, Security Prince, King Theodore and Lifetime. Big, that is Dream now takes the lead by about 2.5 lengths. Cole Harbor in second, Dear John now trying to get closer in third, Sir Ferdinand in fourth, and it's still Big, that is Dream by about 6 lengths. Cole Harbor still in second, Dear John now coming closer in third. Last 100 meters we have Big, that is Dream now by about 7 lengths over Cole Harbor. Dear John moving up to take second, Sir Ferdinand in fourth, and nearing the finish line it's all number 2 Big, that is Dream, second is Dear John, Sir Ferdinand, Cole Harbor, Lifetime, Knockout Babe, Security Prince, and King Theodore.
Alright, wala pang half mile.
Yes.
Kuha na niya yung